Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tool Type TV. Today we're testing hacks again. This is a nice little tool hack that I found out. It is a bit of a pain in the arse with pliers. Sometimes you squeeze them, they don't come back open straight away. You have to keep pulling them. This is a way to make a spring assisted version. Let's try it out. Let's see if it works. For this little tool hack, you need yourself a pair of pliers. You don't need needle nose ones. It can be any type of pliers that aren't already spring assisted. You're going to need a little bit of super glue, and you're going to need one of these little you know these things, I don't know what they call these, like a paper binder thing, but you don't actually need the other bit for it. All you need is this little metal tag thing. So to start off with, what we're going to do is I'm just going to show you how I made that one. You just squeeze these together. I don't know if you can see that in the video. You squeeze them together, pop them out. It can be a little bit fiddly, but you will eventually end up with this. Now I found that it's best to just sort of pull them apart a little bit. They should be fairly easy to do. Just get them a little bit bigger just to fit into the inside of your pliers. You want to try and make them wide enough so that when your pliers are closed, both the little tags on the end are inside the plier grips. You're going to need some super glue. Did I say that? You're going to need a drill, and you're going to need a drill bit that's roughly about the same size as your metal prongs. I've got one that's a little bit bigger. This is a 2. I probably could have done with 1, but I can't find me one, as per usual. Start off with, you're going to want to stick your little 2mm or 1mm drill bit, whichever one suits your metal clip, and you're going to stick that in your drill, and then you've got to sort of get in there and drill. This is going to be an absolute pain in the arse because I can't get in there. Oh no, I just about can. So we're going to put a little hole. I don't know if you can see whereabouts I'm doing it. Let me hold it up a little bit tighter, just around there somewhere. Here we are. The glue's mostly dried. I mean, it's dried enough for it to show whether it works or not. But as you can see, I'll get a little bit of my favourite green time wire that's all tangled up and awkward to get to. There we go. Poke that through the little hole again. Messed that up on the last video I was doing. So here we go. And it does actually work. Throws them straight back. You see, no effort at all. Well, there you have it. That little trick does work. If you want to try that, let me know in the comments below if you gave it a go and whether you managed to get it working. And if you find any better ways of doing it, please feel free to let me know. Well, if you like that video, I've got lots more, and there'll be lots more on the way. We are trying to get to a point where I can sort of give away things after I'm done. You know what I mean? Like I test things and that. Like I did a nice little review on these spring-assisted little multi-tool hammer set that's got everything on it. If you want to see that, there's a link in the description below. Be sure to go and check that out. And if you do like that item, there is a link for it on Amazon in the description of the other video. So if you do click on that, I will get a small, tiny little commission. Nothing fantastic, but it just helps me support the channel, helps me keep going. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers so that I can get monetized. So if you could help me out by giving me a sub, then that would be much appreciated. Thanks again, and see you next time.